Lesson number 6. Let us talk about introduction to sets. At the end of this session, you will be able to demonstrate an understanding of the concept about set, its element, and different terms associated with it. Specify a set using roster method and set builder notation method. Then illustrate set, subset, proper subset, superset, empty set, and the universal set in a Venn diagram. What is a set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. When we say collection, that is group, well-defined, you can easily distinguish them that they are part of a group. Example, if I will say Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, Word Balance, New Balance, you can easily distinguish that they are sets of rubber shoes. If I say Jungkook, Jimin, Jin, RM, you can easily distinguish them that they are part of a group of BTS. That's why we call them well-defined. Can be represented by the uppercase letters A, B, and C. Always remember na ang representation ng bawat set ay capital letter. Any letter of the alphabet. Elements. The object in a set are members of the set. So example, yung sinabi ko kanina, mga member ng BTS. So bawat isa sa kanila tinatawag mong element. A set is said to contain its element. An object which belongs to or is a member of or is contained in a set is said to be an element of this set. Such that let A be a member of a set A, this relation can be denoted by this symbol. A is an element of A. Yung symbol na parang letter E, ang basa doon is an element of. Let B be an object that does not belong to set A. This relation can be denoted by B is not an element of A. Yun namang parang E na may slash, ang basa doon is not an element of. Hindi siya part ng set na yon. Examples. The set of vowels in the English alphabet. Patinig. Alam niyo naman yon. So, A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. We can say that A is an element of A, but B is not an element of A because we know B is a consonant or katinig. Number 2, the set of positive integers between 1 and 30. Pagitan lang nila, so hindi kasama yung 1 and 30. So set B is equal to X such that, yung vertical line na nakikita nyo, ang basa doon, such that X is greater than 1 but less than 30. Very algebraic yan. Algebraic form, set notation. So you can write in words na lang. So we may say that 13 is an element of B, but 30 is not an element of B. Finite set. Alam niyo naman yung salitang finite. Countable, limited numbers of elements. So may natatapos. Example, set C is equal to banana, guava, apple. So we know that the number of elements in set C is equal to 3. Countable. So tatlo lang yung fruits. Infinite set. Unlimited number of elements. So walang katapusan. Example, set D is equal to X such that X is a set of integers. So you know integers, unlimited. We have the negative integers starting with -1 going to the left, and the positive integers starting with 1, 2, 3 going to the right, and the non-negative, non-positive integer which is 0, our placeholder. So wala silang katapusan, endlessly both sides. So the number of elements in set D is infinity. Yan. Empty set. So empty, walang laman, also called as null set, containing no elements, commonly denoted as this symbol. Ang tawag dyan ay null symbol. Example, the set of whole number between 0 and 1. Wala naman, diba? Kasi ang whole number mismo ay yung 0 and 1. Sa pagitan ng 0 and 1, mga decimal point, decimal something saka fraction. So, hindi sila whole number. So, empty set ang sagot mo. Walang laman. Universal set is a collection of all elements in a particular context. All other sets are a subset of the universal set and commonly denoted as U, capital U. It is the complement of the empty set. So, kabaliktaran niya, empty. Universal set, lahat na yun. Kumbaga, lahat-lahat ng mga elements ng subset, lahat ng set nakapaloob sa kanya. Specifying sets. A set is specified in 2 different ways. Roster method, listing all the members of a set. Nililista mo yung member ng set, parang yung members ng BTS. Isa-isahin mo yung pangalan nila, sila mismo. Set builder method, describing the members of a set. O in words, you're writing a narrative sentence. Examples. Set A is the set of planets in the solar system. Pag roster method, isa-isahin mo. So example, this one, A is equal to Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Before, hindi kasama yung Pluto eh. Hindi daw kasi makita. So ngayon, baka sinama na siya. So you can add Pluto here. Then set builder notation. A is equal to x is a planet in the solar system. So kung mapapansin nyo, pag sinulat mo siya in roster method, in singular tense of verb, gagamit ka ng linking verb na is, hindi are. Kasi yung x dito, katumbas niya, yung bawat planet sa solar system, isa-isa. So dapat laging gigamitin nyo is hindi pwedeng are the planets. Wrong. Okay? So laging singular. Set B, number 2. Set B is the set of positive integers. Roster method, isa-isahin nyo. So, saan ba mag-start ang positive? So, 1. Counting number sila, natural number. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Walang katapusan sa kanan. Set builder notation, o in words, set B is equal to x is a positive integer. Ayan. So, singular form ulit. Number 3, set C is the set of whole numbers less than 20. Roster method, isa-isahin mo. Set C is equal to 0 until 19. Then set builder notation, set C is equal to x is a whole number less than 20. So in words na lang, para hindi kayo mahirapan. Huwag na itong set notation, algebraic form to eh. You read this as set C is equal to x is greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 19. Kung hindi marunong magbasa, ito na lang isagot nyo. Sapat na to, pero dapat laging singular form. Okay? Set equality. Two sets are equal if and only if they have the same elements. Same, literal, identical. Example, the set ABC and CAB are equal since they have the same elements. Ano lang na bago? Order lang. Pero nakita nyo, same na same. Paano mismo yung mga elements. The order of the elements is not required. It is also does not matter if an element of a set is listed more than once. So that if I have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, na uulit yung 3, na uulit yung 5, same lang siya dito sa set na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since they have the same elements. Always remember that. Subset. Pag sinabing subset, part of a set. Nakapaloob sa isang set. The set A is said to be a subset of B if and only if every element of A is also an element of B. Use the notation, A is a subset of B. Yung symbol na parang Pac-Man, parang U na nakahiga, open siya sa B. Okay? So, kung saan siya naka-open, yun yung mas malaki. Yun yung pinapalooban. So, A is a subset of B or you read this as A is a part of B. To indicate that, ayan na nga, A is a subset of the set B. Set relationship can be represented graphically by a Venn diagram. And then this Venn diagram is developed by John Venn. It's a diagram representing mathematical or logical sets pictorially as circles or closed curves within an enclosing rectangle, the universal set, common elements of the sets being represented by the areas of overlap among the circles. Example, ito yung aking i-represent. A is a subset of B. Yun daw A nakapaloob kay B. So una, gawa ka ng rectangle. Ang rectangle, katumbas niya ng universal set. Lahatan, doon nakapaloob lahat ng sets. Tapos, para ipakita mo yung A doon nakapaloob kay B, gawa ka ng maliit na circle. Yun yung si set A. Doon gawa ka malaking circle. Yun yung si set B. So, ipaloob mo si set A doon sa set B. So, marerepresent mo na yung naka-highlight doon sa example natin na A is a subset of B. I hope you understood. A is a subset of B, denoted by this symbol. Ayan, kung saan siya naka-open nga, yung parang Pac-Man na U na nakahiga, doon siya nakapaloob. So you read this also as A is contained in B. Then B is a superset of A. So denoted by this symbol. So nakita nyo, naka-open siya sa left. So kung saan siya naka-open, yun na mas malaki. So yung B yung mas pinapalooban. So B contains A. Yun daw B na nakapaloob sa kanya si A. If A is a subset of B, but A is not equal to B, then A is also a proper subset of B. A is a subset of B, or equivalently, B is a proper superset of A, given that symbol. Ano po yung proper subset? Examples. The set 1, 2 is a proper subset of 1, 2, 3. O ilan ba yung elements nung unang binanggit na set? Dalawa. Yung pangalawa, tatlo. So parang sinabi mong proper fraction, 2/3. 2 elements over 3 elements. So parang ganon. 'Di ba? Kasi pag improper fraction, mas mataas yung numerator sa denominator. So kaya siya parang parehas lang sa proper subset. Okay? Any set is a subset of itself but not a proper subset. Okay? So kung wari meron kang set 1 and 2. So subset nga yung sarili niya na 1 and 2 pero hindi proper kasi equal sila. Then last one, the empty set denoted by this symbol null is also a subset of any given set. Tandaan niya na lahat ng empty or null set ay subset ng bawat set. The empty set is always a proper subset except of itself. So I hope you understood this lesson number 6.